Okay, in this video we're gonna to continue how we can get the limits approaches to 0 during the trigonometric functions. Okay, once you found something like this, line as x approaches to 0 sine x, you should know the answer will be equal 0. Limit as x approaches to 0 cosine x, you should know the answer will be 1. And limit as x approaches to 0 tan x, the answer will be 0. So I have sine x and tan x equals 0, and cosine x, it will be equals 1. Okay, what about this? If you find limit as x approaches to any constant number, sine x, so the answer will be sine this constant number. So if you have an example like limit as x approaches to 2 sine x, so the answer will be sine 2, the constant number, or what x is approaches to. Okay, let's see here the same. If limit as x approaches to c cosine x, the answer will be cosine the constant number here, or where is the x approaches to. Okay, what about this? If you have a rational function like this during trigonometric, sine x over x equals 1. In condition x approaches to 0. What about this? 1 minus cosine x over x, it will be 0 in condition of x approaches to 0. Okay, what about 1 minus cosine 2x, so it must be down 2x. So this x related to this x. What about sine 4x, so it must be down 4x. So this is related to this. Okay, let's see some questions about this. Here, limit as x approaches to 0 cosine x over sine x minus 3. So remember what is the first step you should do? Do you remember? Yes, direct substitution. So what you will do, you will remove x and put 0, remove sine and put 0. So the answer here will be, with the calculator, negative 1 over 3. And that's all. Okay. So I don't need to make any operation or any rules from this, because when you make a direct substitution, you find the answer is a constant number. It's okay. So when I use these rules, if you make a direct substitution in the limits and you find 0 over 0, so you will go to these rules. Okay, what else? Let's see this. Limit sine 4x over x. Of course, when you make a substitute, you will find that sine 0 over 0, as x here down is 0. So you will make a substitution. Okay, let's see. It's I should follow the rules to can get the limit. Okay, what you have here? Here 4x, if you have sine x over x, okay, I remember that sine x over x, which is 1, here equals 1. But do you remember the condition here, x here, x? Okay, what about here? Here 4x, so you wanted to get here 4. So to get 4, you should multiply up and down times 4. Is that hard? Okay, to be the answer here, limit, you will split it. Limit as x approaches to 0, 4, multiplied by limit as sine 4x over 4x. This equals 1. What about limit as x approaches to 0, 4? So the answer will be 4 too. So 4 times 1 equals 4, and that's all. Let's see this question here. When you substitute, you find here 0 is down, so you will Remember the rules, sec x, which is 1 over cosine x, right? So to get rid of this rational, you will make cross multiplication to get here cosine x, and here 1, and here cosine x. Okay, so I can bring down cosine x to be 1 minus cosine x over x cosine x. What you will do, if you remember the rules, you find that 1 minus cosine x over x, you can solve it alone to get the answer here 0. What about the 1 over cosine, the rest here? Anything multiplied by 0, it will be equals 0. And if you substitute with cosine 0, it will be equals 1. And that's all. Thank you.